This is the gap up here that I got on my other bike. I've never actually done this on this bike. Oh yeah, piece of cake. I forget how bonkers it gets after that. Oh, that's good. Good stuff. This is the gap I'd like to try to do sometime. Okay, I feel like I got enough speed. And then after that,
as you've seen in my previous whitetail videos and visits, I've been eyeing those gap jumps for a while and trying to get all the tabletops here. They keep building more stuff and it's awesome. But, however, I knew someday I was going to have a magic day when I would come back. It just, with my conditions and all the other stuff going on this year, it just didn't seem like it was going to happen this year. Or was it? Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, that was not a good run. What did I do? I do not have the energy in me to even try to do this step up today. You know, if you look at the actual distance between the two, it's only like an extra foot. Okay, I'm at Whitetail now. Kind of interesting because I haven't been here in a while. What do these jumps look like? Boy, they look really washed out. This is what it does.
I arrived here late in the day on Friday after I had done the Kinney trails, the new Kinney trails that day. So I was a little bit tired, but I felt I could scope things out, and I was planning on doing Willow the following week or weeks, and I wanted to see what stuff looked like and get my mind right for coming back here and hitting some of this stuff yet again.
It's probably not too bad. The goal is to just be comfortable with these, and I am comfortable with these. I don't know about the gaps in the woods. Yeah, that's way better. Come on, don't get kicked. Okay, I cleared it. This is not easy, this last jump. I just don't feel like I can get it. This thing is, okay, there we go, I got it that time. Try this one more time and I'm gonna go back in the woods to see if I can get one of those gaps. Gotta do something. Gotta do something. Gaps. I'm gonna run into. Whoa, it's just really hard because it's just ridiculous in here. Okay, so there's the first one. I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna skip this one. Oh yeah, another gap mastered. That other one, that's a little scary. This is the other gap. I know I can do it. It's just a matter of getting the right. Getting the right speed up here. Going into it right here. Oh yeah! Woo! Whitetail Ridge. Here we are. Time number 5 or 6 this year. Have you got no gap jumps? No, I haven't. Just to look at the jump. Oh, it's super leafy. I'm gonna be raking the leaves off of it. That's one of the gap jumps that I want to do today. Like super leafy. There's somebody coming right now. Oh, he didn't hit anything. Okay.
A couple of very bad cases on the jump lines, the basswood jump lines at Willow State Park, kind of threw my confidence askew that morning. So I was a little bit hesitant.
That scared me a little bit. I'm casing that one. Why am I casing that one? I want to make a run for this gap. This is a table that I would not be doing into the leaves. But basically, for these jumps, holy buckets, you really have to get speed. I'm gonna do the table first. Yeah, that's not bad at all. I think it's totally doable.
Well, I didn't get it on my action cam. Just before I was getting ready to do the gap jump this run, another guy came through leading a pack of riders, and he did the gap jump, so I got to see him and some of his other riders ride some of the jumps. You'll see him here in a second.
I got it! Woo! Oh, I sailed. It's so leafy. The left stuff. A little dusty right there. Oh. Did you hit that gap?
What was that?
Did you hit the gap? The gap over here?
Oh yeah, he did.
I saw you. You gave me a confidence. I hit it for the first time.
Oh yeah.
I was up on the hill where that tabletop before it turns, because you cut across up. Good time of year to do it.
Yeah.
I was like, did he hit the gap? Oh, now I have to do it.
Which one down there that like.
In talking with these riders here, I learned of the new line on Shake and Bake. However, this also started a trend for the visit. With all the riders that day, we all got to learn from each other, and that made all the difference in the world.
So, what are they planning here? Holy cow. Awesome stuff, I hope. They're digging a big hole. If I don't feel like I get the speed, I won't take it, but. Whoa! Okay, that's 2 more gap jumps. Woo! That was awesome. Oh yeah! New section here. Wow! Wow! I think you could bypass it and hit the jump. Have you guys seen this yet? This is apparently brand new. It's a drop and then a jump.
That's not bad.
Well, for some people it might be big. I could take the drop, no problem. I did the one at Willow is about like this, but
3 feet, right?
say about 3, yeah. I'm gonna roll down and see what else is down here other than the jump. This jump looks pretty. Of course, I'm in a stupid easy gear. Okay, no, whoa, there's a gap. Okay. Oh, wow! Oh, oh, oh! I could take this. I don't know if I'm going to be doing any of this this year, this trip.
While this was a totally doable drop for me, I just didn't get the speed. Didn't feel like I had the speed, so I figured I'll just check out the rest of the trail and come back. Oh boy, here we go.
Oh, look at that. Here's a gap. It's all gap jumps. Can you stop building gap jumps here? I'm trying to get them all. Holy buckets. Wow. Wow. This is gonna be a next year run. I actually strongly believe that I could do some of these. But see, like this one here, yeah, that's a table. Oh, sorry.
It's so soft on here.
Yeah, I didn't take the drop. I almost did. I just didn't feel like I had the speed. Oh, dusty.
Yeah, that
Oh, and then we come back down at the bottom. Great. I had to go back up the top. No, it's fine. I'm going slow. My legs are back and my everything hurts, basically. Okay. Interesting.
This ended phase 1 of my return trip to Whitetail, as I returned to the grandstand for some sessioning and doing gap jumps and tables that I knew I could do, just to build my confidence up even more.
Wooden feature. Wow! Oh! Oh, so close.
wrong way.
Well, we're both going the wrong way.
Have you ever tried this second one?
I'm trying to build up to that. Today I got 3 of the gaps that I've never been able to get today.
Oh, nice. Well,
Have you seen that? Have you seen the new line that they have over here?
you mean shake and bake?
The new one, the one that's off of that.
That's farther down from
Yeah.
shake and bake?
It's all double jumps.
Oh.
Yeah. It looks fun and I think I could do it, but it's like, I'm trying to get out the gaps here and they keep building more.
Yeah, right.
I can't ever come to a conclusion. Once you get this big jump down here, you can get that last gap. And that's what I've been doing. I come off that lower platform and I hit the gap.
Yeah.
It's like super easy. You just got to go for it. There were some guys earlier here today that were doing that.
Yeah.
And you just have to get speed.
Yeah.
I don't, my problem is,
After a brief talk with this other rider, Brian, we both kind of started to eyeball that higher step up. For me, that was the scariest thing
there
here.
was a couple of tables. That was about it. He's doing the big gap. 1, 2, 3. This guy's gonna do the gap. 2, 3. Nice. I think I might have to try it now. Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh my gosh! That felt so good. Yeah, that's the best way. If somebody's done it, you follow somebody. Yeah, you hear about that with like kids. Their 10-year-old kid toes in somebody my age and then they do it. Seriously, I'm not joking. It's nice. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. Nice. Well, it's lining up. It's lining everything up on this one. That's the thing. Okay, so shake and bake number 2. That was sloppy. That was okay. Yeah, see? Whoa! Woo! There we go, I did it. Okay, Brian's leading on shake and bake. I'm gonna try to keep up with him without running into him. trying to keep up with them so I can get them on the drop. Oh yeah! How'd that feel? Yeah, it's easy. Stop, he took the line. I don't know if he took the drop or not. But here we go. Oh, I cleared it. Whoa, that was kind of stupid. This one is a little bit scary. Oh, there's the drop. He must have taken it. Wow! Gap jumps. Glorious gap jumps. Oh. So there's one jump on this one here. I'm not sure which one it is. Maybe this one. Oh, I almost cleared it. Oh! Oh! Major case. They said that one was not doable. Wow! So what did you think of that drop? Huh? That wooden drop? Yeah, it's fine. I'm having a feeling.